Hi everyone, let's begin. The first chart we are looking at is CRV, that is Curve Finance. Now we are looking at a 1 day chart, daily chart. The most important support for right now is at around 0.58 or 58 cents. And once it breaks 72-cent region and flips it into support, it will again look for acceleration. The next immediate target is 85 cent and eventually $1. But overall, I think this has a huge potential as a project. I really like this project, a fundamentally very good project. So in the midterm right now, once it flips 72 cents, and if you're trading it, the next two targets can be 85, $1, but eventually it can go way higher. And if we get a good impulse in the overall market, then I won't be surprised if it breaks this high, recent high of $1.4, and it goes on to $2, $3 region, in my opinion. So I think CRV is the first project that you can look at, still within the accumulation zone if you're looking to accumulate. The next one is Tau or Bitensa. Now Tau has broken out on the daily. For me, the daily breakout zone was at $408 region, so it has broken out and consolidating above it is a bullish sign. So as long as it does that, the next target would be at around $490, and the second target would be at around $590. So if you're looking to trade Tau, as long as it holds 408, 490 and 590 are the next targets. If you like the risk and reward, you can trade it. The most critical support for now is at around $300 region. So as long as this holds, the overall momentum would still be bullish in my opinion. The third one is Aave. Aave is one of the strongest projects in crypto. I have been riding this coin ever since it was ETH in 2019. So Aave is a fundamentally very good project. It is more than 10x from my initial buy at around $23. And right now also it is holding very well. In fact, it is breaking out of the first resistance. For me, the main support was at around 220, which it broke very easily, and it's now breaking out of this resistance at around $275 region. The next two targets for Aave would be 340 and $400 region. But overall, I think this has a huge potential. It can go way higher. I won't be surprised if I see one day Aave at $1,000 or $2,000 regions also in the long term. I really like this project. This is one of the best DeFi projects in the space, and they have been doing extremely well all throughout the last 5 years. Given the so many liquidations in the crypto market, so many kinds of projects getting failed, and you see a project like Aave constantly delivering and keeping the DeFi momentum high. The fourth project right now is Sonic, or previously FTM, and this is currently at an extremely critical support, and as long as it holds 0.035 or this recent low on daily, it will eventually look for recovery. For any kind of bullish momentum, it needs to break 50 cent region back into support, and then it can go for 60, eventually 75, and of course eventually $1. So if you like the risk reward, if you want to buy something which is at still at a very low range or extremely low price or near all time lows, but overall with the fundamentally a very good project, then I think this is a good buying zone in my opinion. But it needs to hold this area, break 50 cent region, and then you can expect acceleration in the price of S token or Sonic. So these are four projects. S is at a critical support, and a good bounce is more than expected from here if overall the market stays bullish. CRV is near breakout, and once it can break out, it can begin acceleration. Tau is already on the verge of breaking out. It is broken out yesterday, and today is closing above 408 will confirm that. And Aave is already in a parabolic phase. It's breaking out of the first resistance. So I've given you four fundamentally good projects at different price actions or different what do you say, at the different stage of their price action. So you can enter into projects as per your risk reward, as per your liking. I hope you find this video valuable. Come back for new videos. Take care. Bye bye.